Hello everyone. In this video you are learning an experiment on optical fiber. The aim of the experiment is to determine the numerical aperture and acceptance angle of a given optical cable. The apparatus used here are used in the experiment are optical cable. This is a cable. We have optical fiber inside. Optical fiber, you can see here, it is made up of glass or a plastic having diameter of the having its diameter of the range of human hair. It has both core and cladding inside this optical fiber. Then we have semiconductor laser diode, and this is compact. It is a semiconductor laser. Then we have the stand, and this is called as aperture, where we see the laser beam in the aperture. You can see there are parallel lines drawn on the aperture, or it is a screen. The distance between two lines we call it as pitch. The pitch for this aperture is 2 millimeter. That is, the distance from one line to the next line is 2 millimeter. Then we take the readings. We have to read the pitch value, and also we take the distance of the laser light. See, this is how I can vary the distance of the laser light from the aperture. As I move this, you can vary the distance. You can see it is a centimeter scale here. The pointer on the scale reads the reading. You can see now it is 8. I have crossed 8.5. Somewhere around 8.5 is my reading. It has just crossed 8.5, not reached 8.6. So the distance between the aperture and the laser pointer is 8.5 now. We have connected from the laser power supply is there. So laser is connected to the stand. Through the stand the laser light comes out. This is again still my optical cable. From here I can use it as required. This is my optical cable. From optical cable the light passes through the cable and it falls on the aperture. The light from the laser passes through the optical cable and falls on the aperture. Then we see the image of the aperture. To record the readings, we have to set this distance from the aperture with the OFC chuck, so that you see the laser spot on the aperture having diameter 8 millimeter. As I have told, the distance between two lines is 2 millimeter. That means to have diameter of 8 millimeter, you should have 4 such lines covered by the laser spot. So I will set my distance now. I am changing the distance. I am just setting the distance to see the laser spot on the aperture having diameter 8 millimeter. So distance between two lines is 2 millimeter. Distance between aperture and the OFC chuck, so that the diameter of the laser spot on the aperture has diameter 8 millimeter. The distance between two lines is 2 millimeter. So to have 8 millimeter diameter, it should have covered 4 such lines. So count 1, 2, 3, half on this side, half on the other side. So that covers 4 lines or 8 millimeter diameter spot. Now we have to take the reading. This is for 8 millimeter diameter spot. You have to read the distance from the aperture. This distance you have to read now. So for what distance you got the diameter spot 8 millimeter? It is 3, 3.5 and 3.6 now. Not yet reached 3.7. So the reading is 3.6 centimeter for 8 mm diameter spot. I will vary the distance of the OFC check from the aperture so that I get 10 millimeter diameter. So I am moving my OFC check. 10 millimeter means it should cover 5 lines. So 1, 2, 3 complete, it becomes 6. 2 on the other side means 10. Is it covering now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. For 10 millimeter diameter, it should cover 5 complete lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. Each line distance is 2 millimeter. So 5 into 2 is 10 millimeter laser spot now. So for this 10 millimeter laser spot, distance of the OFC check from the aperture. So this distance now is 4, 4.1, 4.2, it is 4.5. 3 centimeter. This is the tabular column. We have tabulated the readings for different diameter of the laser spot. We have seen in the video before. Initially we adjusted the diameter of the laser spot on the aperture to be 8 millimeter. So for this 8 millimeter, what was the distance between the screen and the OFC check? We have recorded it is 3.6 centimeter. Similarly, we have to move this distance between screen and OFC check so that the diameter of the laser spot should become 10 millimeter. So at that time the distance was 4.3 centimeter. Similarly, you have to vary the distance, go on varying the distance between screen and OFC check so that your diameter spot is 12 millimeter, 14 millimeter, 16 millimeter, 18, 20 and 22. So you have to adjust your distance between the OFC check and screen to make this diameter on the aperture. So what is the distance for this diameter? You have to record in this column where the distance is in centimeter. Because the diameter of the laser spot in millimeter is in millimeter, we have to convert even this distance into millimeter. So to convert from centimeter to millimeter, I have to multiply with 10. So 3.6 into 10 I have made, so that the distance is now converted into millimeter. Both d and small f, they are in millimeter now. So next I will calculate tan of theta naught, which is d divided by 2 into the distance. So d is the diameter of the laser spot, 8 divided by 2 into 36 we have done. Directly we have written the answer here in the table for all the respective data. Then theta naught is tan inverse of d by 2f. This theta naught we can write tan inverse of this angle. Tan inverse of 0.111 is 6.3, tan inverse of 0.116 6.6, like that. I have written it for all the tan thetas, we have written the value of theta. This theta is called as acceptance angle. This theta naught is acceptance angle. So now we can calculate numerical aperture. Numerical aperture is sine of acceptance angle. So sine of theta naught is numerical aperture. Sine of 6.3 is 0.1097. Similarly, for all this theta naught, we have calculated the numerical aperture. At last, what you have to do, take average of all the numerical apertures, then this is the average 0.1187, that will be my result. All the readings in the table for numerical aperture is 0.1187. So I will write my result 1 as numerical aperture of the fiber optic cable is given by 0.1187, and the acceptance angle is theta naught. You have to take sine inverse of this numerical aperture, then sine inverse of 0.1187, we have written it as 6.8. Acceptance angle, you can either take sine inverse of this numerical aperture and write the answer, or either you can even do average of all these theta naught, that also gives you the same result.